next topic on the same, as we can overload the operator, unary operator using the member function. Same way we can overload the using the friend function. Okay, this is the what we can do in two way. One way is using member function, another way is to using the friend function. Okay, so now we'll see how to use this using the friend function. So simple example for this is class one. Class is written unary friend, as showing that this is class where the friend function we want to operate. Okay, so I'm writing some variables for this class. If I'm not mentioned here private, that means it is a all private. Okay, int a and assigning the value as well, and directly I am going to have get values. See, you can if you use the cin statement, then you can call the cin statement over here to assign the values. No need to initialize this value over here. Just write int a b c and then get values using the cout cin statement. Cin statement is must then. Okay, now I will show the values. Then there is a function. Actually, I want to focus here for the operator overloading using the friend function. Okay, so operator overloading using the friend function, you have to first give the return type, then the name keyword friend, then the operator keyword, then which operator you want to do overload, that operator sign, that is minus over here. And when you are using the friend function, you have to pass the object reference. Now here unary friend, this is the class name, and object reference is ampersand x. Instead of x, you can do give anything. You can give anything. So this is a call for the
Ma'am?
friend. Then here you have to write scene. Otherwise, the values will not be entered.
Yes.
Okay. Then you are using this void friend operator. This is the main task here, which you are calling here. Okay. So this is afterwards what you are doing here. You have to write the definition for this friend function operator overloading. So what you are passing here reference to value object. Okay, and you are assigning the value whatever values are there, like 10 20 I have shown you 10 20 and 30 was the value.
x1 dot get values function will be called. So the positive values will be shown over here when we call the function x1 dot show. After that, we are overloading by using the operator overloading function, unary friend function. We are calling over here by using the statement minus x1. So this function will be get called operator minus unary friend function, and all those the values will be getting negative. So then we can again x1 dot show function to check out the output. So this is what the output values of a, b and c before overloading, that is the positive values 10 20 and 30, and then after overloading we will get the values minus 10 20 minus 20 and minus 30. In this program, operator minus is overloaded using the friend function. The operator function is defined as a friend function. The statement minus x1 invokes the operator function. The object x1 is created of class unary friend. The object itself acts as a source and destination object. This can be accomplished by sending the reference of an object. The object x1 is a reference of object x. The values of object x1 are replaced by itself by applying the negation. Hence, we'll get this output.